Hi, I'm Rhonda with Rhonda Gage's Creations. Do you know why crochet is so addictive? It's the sense of accomplishment you feel when crocheting. Whether it's a simple dishcloth, I have two different ones here with different patterns. Yes, I have not tucked the ends in. So I have different patterns here, different styles. This is a shawl. No, this is a baby blanket. Each completed project is testament of your skill and hard work. The sense of accomplishing can be addictive, urging you to start and finish more projects so you can keep that good feeling going. So here is one blanket I'm working on, and there are lots of different stitches in it. And I want to thank Mikey with the Crochet Crowd on this one. So, see all the different stitches? I have gone above the part that he taught on it. So I have added like this much extra to it. And I'm going to finish this skein of yarn. So thank you. Have a good day.